A trace forward traceability report. Only the main account holder has access to the A-trace reports. Select Food Reports option. Select Forward Traceability option. Select Stores item type. Select Date range. Press Next button. Select Batch code. Select Report Search and Results Requirements. Press Generate Report button. Forward Traceability Report generated. Report interrogation. Select an item in the report list. View page for selected item will appear. Press hyperlinks for more information. Example of prior stock GRN hyperlink redirect. Close view pages to return to report listing. CSV file generation. Press CSV button. CSV file downloaded to PC Downloads folder.